What's up guys, so we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna give you guys an update of investing $2 every day in the stock market. And the market is just seeing crazy numbers at the moment. Let me give you guys an update of how much money we're making, how much dividends I'm getting paid, and overall how much money can you actually make with investing $2 every day in the market. And if the market really even makes you that much money, overall just see if consistency really is the big key to long-term investing. That being said, let's see the market. So this is the amount of money we have at the current moment, $1,785. And the market this morning hasn't seen the best numbers right now. Everything is in bear mode. There's so many conflicts going on today. Japan is going through a lot of setbacks, and this is just what's causing the whole market the most embarrassed moment in this current time. Overall, this is how much money we got. We still got $293 of buying power. So even though the market is going down at the moment, we still got a lot of money to invest in. And overall, like I always said, if the market is down, that's good for us because that means we get stocks at a discount. So overall, just today we're losing $32 right now, and over the week we have a loss of $63. That hurts. Point of investing in the long term is don't focus on the money, just focus on the progress. Now let's check out 1 month, and over 1 month we have a total loss of $28. Our highest point was around July, and we were at a total gains of $52. $52 in a month, that's not bad, but as you guys can see, we lost 28. It's just the progress. Like I said, don't worry about it too much, it's just go with it. And in overall 1 year since we started this project, as you guys know, in the beginning I only invested $1 every day, so that's why we have so much growth. If you guys want to see what the results are for investing $1 every day, you guys could go check that video out. But this is how we started off. The progress throughout this whole year has just been great overall. We have a total gains of $94, and $94, although it doesn't seem like a lot of money, that's still a lot of progress in 1 year from just putting money in and just letting it ride without thinking about it twice. So while the market seems like it's coming down at the moment, most likely a lot of people feel scared for even putting more money in. The main point of dollar costing is to just invest it even when the market is down. Over the long term, the stock is most likely to go up if you do your analysis and research. The stocks that I'm investing are either ETFs and mutual fund stocks. So what this means is the stocks that I'm invested is usually stocks that don't control one stock but control many company stocks. So instead of buying one company of a stock, you could buy one stock worth 100 companies in just one stock. It gives you better odds just to regulate risk and overall just see a better performance in your stocks. So for long-term investing, these are usually the best option. If that being said, let me show you guys my ETFs, my stocks, what I'm investing in at the current moment. So the 3 stocks that I'm investing in right now is just VYM, GPI, which is JIPY, and QQQQ. So this QQQQ I just started, so that's the reason why there's so little amount of shares at the current moment. But as you guys can see, VYM is actually the first one that I started investing in because VYM is part of the SP 500. But the thing about VYM, they're more focused on dividend. For me, that's even better because for each stock that you invest in, you get paid a portion for owning that stock. This starts a snowball effect where you can invest your money and over time you just see more money just accumulating. This just leads to a bigger accumulation and a bigger payout at the end of the day. This is why right now I'm not really worried about the market. If the market comes down, that's a shame for a lot of people, but when you do dollar cost averaging, you might get scared for losing some money, but the stock market always has a loss. Whatever happens, you just go through it. That's it. Now let me show you guys how much money we're investing in and how much just overall dividends have we gotten paid since the beginning of this year. Now let me scroll down. As you guys can see, I do not lie, these are my recurring buys. What I'm doing in this project is I'm only investing in days that the market is open. So holidays, weekends, I'm not really investing in those days. So to say that I'm investing every single day is not really true. So if you thought that weekends counted, it does not. I just want to clarify for a lot of people. Now let's go to dividends. Let's see how much we're getting paid. As you guys can see, this is the effects of compound interest. I started this project a year ago. Point of compound interest is for these dividend payouts to grow. A lot of you probably thought that we're not going to get pretty far from this. We ended off the first year at $3.72. That's a huge huge progress. But the point of these dividend stocks is just to reinvest it, just let the market do its thing. Now, the first dividend payout this year started off at $2.94. Although we came down around $1, recently on June 25th, we got paid a total of $5.77. So $5.77 starting off at 28 cents with $2 every day from the beginning. That's almost a $2 difference in just 6 months. In total, the amount of dividends that we got paid overall for investing $2 every day is a total of $15 with 26 cents. Doesn't seem too bad overall. Although you guys probably didn't think about this amount of growth, these are the results of what compound interest and just being consistent really does in a high good dividend ETF stock. Now let me show you guys what the results are for JIPY. JP Morgan Equity Premium Income. The reason why I started investing in JIPY is the stock pays you monthly rather than quarterly. In my opinion, I like seeing monthly payouts more better. Although it saw better results around 2021, in my opinion, I don't really see this stock going down at the moment. I just see it slowly coming up. From when I started, this stock hasn't really given me that much problem. Could it go back down? Probably, but I don't really see it happening. But that's just my opinion. Remember, I'm just a guy from the internet. I'm just doing this as a project to show you guys what the actual effects are just investing money in the stock market over the long term. Now let me show you guys my dividend payouts and everything else. Like I always say, I do not lie, and these are the payouts. Now let's go to the dividends, and these are dividends. This is a monthly payout, so I like monthly payouts way better than quarterly payouts. It just looks better. It just gives you a better feeling of getting paid more. May 4th 2023, a dividend payout of 5 cents. I know that's how it starts, 5 cents. But slowly, June 6th, 25 cents, June 7th, 44 cents, August 4th, 56 cents, September 7th, 94 cents, then 128, 158, 203, 252, 226. All this adds up to a total of $26 with 83 cents. These are the effects of dividend payouts, compound interest, and overall being consistent over the long run. $1 in the beginning of the year, $2 in the second year. That's awesome. So now let me show you guys the most recent one, which is QQQ. The reason why I started investing in this, I want to show you guys what the difference between investing also in different fields in the market. It's mostly involved in the tech industry. It just seems like a better growth in the long term, and if we start investing earlier, we're most likely to see better growth in this stock. Although this stock seems a bit pricey, point of long-term investing, buy it no matter how high it is or how low it is. So this might seem high at the moment, but right now we're just seeing a total bearish moment. So this right now is the best time to buy. Overall, just see better growth in the long term. Now let me show you guys how much overall dividend payouts have we gotten. On July 31st, a juicy payout of 13 cents. With this 13 cents, I'm not really worried. This 13 cents is slowly going to start growing, and we're going to see better growth in the long term. So that being said, although we're seeing bear moments in the market right now, one of the game is just being consistent and not worry that much about losing money, because people, what they do is just start selling right here and then end up buying right here. But what many people don't realize is that's where people start losing money. And when you invest in good ETFs, good stocks, these are the actual effects that you get in the long term, and slowly you just see how much money starts to accumulate in the long run. And overall, the reason why I'm doing this is because, in my opinion, I believe that our generation believe that investing is either too hard or too expensive, or only for the rich people that can get into this type of stuff. But the truth is, as you guys can see, when you dollar cost average, is just find a great performing stock in the long term and make your money work for you rather than you work for your money. Whatever you guys do, remember to do your own research, because this is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So my results cannot be the same as your results. I'm just a guy in the internet that's just doing this for fun, just show you guys what the effects are for investing in the market. So that being said, don't forget to hit the like button for the algorithm, subscribe for more updates like this, because I'm gonna update you guys in the next 3 months and show you guys what the results are. Give me your guys' opinion. What do you guys think about this stock? Do you guys think it's profitable or not? Show love in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys another time. Take care, be safe, deuces.